So here you can see here in this particular visualization, what are we doing here? What aggregation are we doing here? Aggregation. Aggregation is sum. Now here, what this is doing is, okay, it is summing up by each segment. Are you all getting? Sales are summed up, added by each segment. Guys, just a moment. So now we will see about this aggregate functions like sum, map, average, maximum, minimum, these things. So here for this measures or for this quantitative fields, so here by default sum is taken. Okay, so here you can see other aggregations like average, minimum, maximum, count, standard deviation. These are all the general aggregations, statistical aggregations that are used to understand any data. Okay. So we can change this to average. Okay, you can see these average values. We can also see the minimum value, maximum value. Count distinct, count. This is count of individual values. Yeah, this is count. Earlier one is count distinct. We can also see standard deviation, median. Now renaming of the report. These reports we can both in Powerbi desktop. So here we can rename, we can save it, or we can do it save as. Okay, when we do save as, we can rename this, and also in Powerbi online we can rename this. Yeah, here report name we can rename. Okay. So we can just change it. Filters. Can rename and save them. Okay, you can see the name of the report got changed to filters new. Excuse me. You can also duplicate these pages. So just here it is not there, but in Powerbi desktop, we have this option. Right click, you can duplicate it. Okay, you can duplicate the page. So new page will be created with the existing visuals. If you want, we can delete a page. Just right click and delete the page like this. It will ask confirm it. Renaming of the report page. So here we can rename this page. Say drill through. Okay.